guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you'll be notified. And also you can follow me on Instagram at @NANCYBansal19. So if you guys remember the last video, I think I have posted about the men's product and I got so nice response irrespectively, because I did not even think, because when I uploaded the video about a trip to somewhere, I got 1.3k views in a year. But when I uploaded the men's product wala video, I got 1.3k views in just 2 months. Thank you so much, you guys. I actually get to know through your response that what am I actually supposed to shoot. Deb, I think अभी तक वैसे आपको कैप्शन, नाम, टाइटल, whatever सबसे पता लग चुका होगा that what I'm gonna talk about today, but still let me brief you a little bit about. So last time I had talked about the Mamaearth wale products about the men's, and today I'll be talking about the L'Oreal new range that you must have seen. It's everywhere. So I'm gonna talk about that. So without any further ado, let's just dive into the video. Okay, L'Oreal. So when it comes to this brand, I feel like आधे प्रोडक्ट्स तो हम ऐसे ही ट्रस्ट कर लेते हैं इस ब्रांड के, क्योंकि बहुत ही प्रूवन ब्रांड है. सो लॉरेल ने थोड़ा टाइम पहले, ऑब्वियसली लॉकडाउन से बहुत पहले, दे हैव लॉन्च्ड देयर मेन प्रोडक्ट्स ऑल्सो एंड इट इज़ अमेजिंग. आप देख सकते हो एक्चुअली इस बॉटल में कितना ज़्यादा ml यूज़ हो चुका है. एंड माई हस्बैंड इज एक्चुअली यूजिंग दीज टू प्रोडक्ट्स, so I'm gonna take you one by one. So the whole collection is called Barber Club. Like this product, it's called the Barber Club, and they also have like the different kind of a face wash, but this includes like the beard, face, hair and 3-in-1 wash. So Parag has been using this like since the day one we have bought. He's using this as a beard cleaner and a face wash. Guys who feel like they have too much of oil on their face and they're not able to handle it, guys, actually you wanna try this L'Oreal Men ka product from Barber Club. This thing works extraordinary. Like yeah, the bottle khatam ho chuka hai, now it's left little bit, and he uses this as a beard wash. My man has a beard, so he uses as a beard wash and a face wash. So it's good. I feel like it's actually good because he tells me so. The next is Long Beard and Skin Oil. Actually I'll try to post a picture like in between of Parag's before and after, and actually you can see when he started using this and now his beard is like this, like, and in between he's been trimming it. Do not think that he's not trimmed it, that is why the result is this. So it's just not for the growth but also for the softness of beard, because beard के जो बाल होते हैं वो थोड़े hard होते हैं. अब उन्हें soft रखने के लिए, because it's on your face, this is an oil which is used after taking a bath, and this is used for nourishment. I've told you to make sure that your growth is the way you want and your hair that there doesn't feels you pokey, is rather soft. And the third product is a L'Oreal Technique Art. This can be used by anyone. And can you see how much is it left? Like little, it is only thoda sa left. Yes, it's only thoda sa left. And if I talk about this is actually a hair serum which you can use in the wet or a dry hair. I tried using it, but because I have too much of frizzy hair, so I use it in a wet hair generally, but it's working amazing for him. That is why I bought you this product in this video, that this product is actually a hair serum and it's working very good for him, a person or a boy or a man who has too much of curly hair and want to maintain it. I won't say कि इससे लगाते आपके बाल straight हो जाएंगे. अगर आपको उसे maintain करना है, बहुत frizzy है, or if you're a person who has been experimenting on your hair since so long and you've been doing it and you feel like nahi, ab it's time that I need to give a detoxification to my hair as well, then you can definitely go for a hair spa, definitely. But in-house hair spa is this, the L'Oreal Technique Art. Take a bath in your wet hair, just apply it, and trust me, your hair feels smooth, nourished. You should definitely style your hair, but the main and important thing is that you should always work on your quality of hair if you want to really style them, and if you want to maintain them, you have to work parallelly, both the ways. So I have to talk about the pricing for this. I really don't remember. I think it's easily available everywhere. Definitely I remember this one. This is 450. Like the beer and the face wash is 450. I think the oil must be for the same range, 450 only. And the L'Oreal Technique Art is 525. For how much ml is this? This is 50 ml and it's quite enough. I have been I think using this from like I think 3 to 4 months, and I still can go for about 2 months. So it's quite affordable. Like 3 of the products, I really love the men's collection. These 3, I think they work great for men. So if you are looking for something new that you want to try, and L'Oreal is obviously a trusted brand, so I feel like obviously, and you should definitely choose the product according to your skin type. Thank you so much for watching my video and showing me the love when I did men's product वाला review. मैंने actually कभी सोचा नहीं था कि that I'll ever get into reviewing the men's product, but I got such an overwhelming response from you guys. Thank you so much. It means so much to me, and because of your response and appreciation, or not even I think everybody in the world just keep going and does what they are good in. So thank you so much for your support. It means so much to me. Do not forget to like the hit button. Also let me know in the comment section below if you want me to review more of the men's product, then I can get it for Parag, and in a week we can get to know about the products and I can bring it to you on this platform. So if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and be at your home.